Hi all, Ankit Kiso this side from Stability team and I welcome you back to our channel. So this is Bank Nifty chart and these are levels marked using volume profile. So yeah, I have taken a screenshot, but there is no need of it because the levels are not changed. These are the same levels as yesterday, but there are some datas which have been changed. Okay, yesterday only I have told you that looking simply at the price action, and I have explained what price action actually showing us. Okay, so I have told you that looking at price action, Bank Nifty is looking quite bullish and market is looking quite bullish. But at the same time, FIIs are selling from the past 3 and 4 days, I guess. Okay, and they are selling in big numbers. But this time, this is the very first time, means today, they have actually bought for around 1200 crores. Okay, and this is the very first time they have bought in this week. Okay, so now and again looking at the price action, you can see yourself whatever I have explained yesterday. You can watch that also, and you can watch today's chart also, how price action is showing us simply some bullishness from its end. Okay, simply look at this. Okay, at the end also it has shown good move. Initially it's tried to go down, but took suffer from this level. Okay, and then again trying to go up and up only. Okay, and if you will look at Nifty chart, then you will see that it has actually broken today's high at the end. So this is how chart are actually working out, means in the past 2 days. And if you will look at the levels which we have marked, and if you have traded on these levels, then let me show you. I have told you that you have to take entry as and when this gets broken. And if you have taken entry here with 100 points of SL, which is around this much, okay, you would have booked good profit till here. Okay, and this is around a move of 160 170 points. So this is a follow-up of yesterday video. There is nothing else because the market was quite sideways today and it hasn't shown very big move in any side. So now coming directly to the analysis part. So this is sideways zone for me, this is gap up zone for me. Okay, I'm not going to explain anything about big gap ups and big gap downs, and this will be a gap down zone for me. Okay, this or this. Okay, so starting from sideways. So see, if market opens here, and I will explain sideways and gap up at the same time, because the analysis and the action, the way of your doing would be same in both these cases. और आपको ऐसे कैसे काम करना, मैं ये आपको पहले भी बता देता हूँ. तो इन दिस वेरी जोन यू डोंट नीड टू ट्रेड, मतलब ये आपके लिए नो ट्रेडिंग जोन होने वाला है. ओके, एंड दिस शुड बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर टू यू कि यहाँ पे जैसे अगर मार्केट साइडवेज खुले और लिल गैप अप खुले, तो देन यू डोंट नीड टू ट्रेड इन दिस जोन. ओके, दिस विल बी अ नो ट्रेडिंग जोन फॉर यू. एंड आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग एनी ऑफ दिस साइड, this or this, okay, you have to take entry. Okay, but I am expecting market to go up only. Now I am little biased, let me be very clear. I am a little biased towards bullishness just because of the fact how price action is continuously showing good moves from past 2 days. Okay, and showing us good bullishness in the part of candlesticks. Okay, so if I'm little biased, but I'm not suggesting you to be biased. आपको सिर्फ levels follow करना है, and you just have to work as and when any level gets broken, and you have to take entry at that point of time. Got it? So अब जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मान लो आप साइडवेज खुलता है एंड मार्केट कंटिन्यू गोइंग अप एंड शोइंग सम गुड वॉल्यूम, एंड इफ दिस ब्रेक दिस लेवल, then you have to take entry. Okay, and you have to put a SL of 100 120 points, and you have to look for this much of target, and this is around 190 points of move. So if you are not looking for this much of move, you can book at around 150 or 180 points. Okay, this is how you have to trade. At this if you will book at 150 or 180, at that point also you will get more than 1:1.6, something like that. Okay, so दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. और अगर ये साइडवेज खोल करके फिर नीचे जाने लगता है फॉर दैट मैटर, सो उस समय आपको क्या है कि ये जब ब्रेक हो, देन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री, एंड अगेन हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू पुट अ एसएल ऑफ 100 पॉइंट्स. ओके, तो ये साइडवेज और गैप अप दोनों का है, मैं साथ में बता रहा हूँ. बाकी आप प्लीज़ इन लेवल्स का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, सो बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पोस्ट इट एनीवेयर. ओके, सो प्लीज़ टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. ओके, चलो ठीक है, फिर अब कंटिन्यू करते हैं. नाउ कमिंग डायरेक्टली टू गैप डाउन. व्हाट इफ मार्केट ओपन्स गैप डाउन anywhere here, or in this case, if market opens first this case, then second would be this case. Now I will explain the first one first, then second one. If market opens anywhere here, then you have to take entry as and when this gets broken. Otherwise, after opening gap down, if market tries to go up, then this will be a no trading zone. If market opens in this gap down zone. Okay, but in the second situation, wait, In the second situation, if market opens big gap down till here, then this will be a no trading zone for you. This is how you have to trade. मैं आपको बहुत बार बता रखा हूँ कि if market shows some big movement at the opening time, then you have to wait for proper price action to take place, because that is the only thing which will help you to know what actually market is trying to do. Okay, and without knowing the way of doing, okay, you can't take any trade. Okay, and if you are doing so, then that would be none other than a gambling for anyone, for me or for you, anywhere. ठीक है, सो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि आपको कैसे ट्रेड करना है. आई हैव गिवन यू ऑल द लेवल्स, यू जस्ट हैव टू मार्क देम एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री. ओके, एज इन व्हेन एनी लेवल्स गेट्स ब्रोकन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर किसी भी लेवल पे अगर खुलता है, मान लो आप कि बहुत बड़ा गैप अप हो गया, सो मान लो यहाँ पे कहीं गैप अप होता है, दिस इज अ बिग गैप अप, देन दिस विल बी अ नो ट्रेडिंग जोन फॉर यू. यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री ओनली व्हेन ईदर दिस और दिस गेट्स ब्रोकन. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू ट्रेड. गॉट इट? चलो ठीक है, फिर एनालिसिस के इतना ही. और ये हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल, लेट मी शो यू. This is our Telegram channel. You can join that. The link is already in the description box. We have given some trades today, although we didn't give any Bank Nifty trade today. But कुछ स्टॉक दिया था हमने, उनमें से एक या दो SL हिट हुआ था, बाकी 3 का टारगेट आया था. That's how we work today. और आज अभी कुछ ज़्यादा ट्रेड नहीं कर रहे हैं. Actually, I am a hedge trader. Okay, I used to do hedge in Bank Nifty, not in Nifty, but I'm planning to switch to Nifty now because of the volatility in Bank Nifty. It's crazy. Simply, it's crazy. You can look at it yourself. ठीक है, आप ये देखो यहाँ पे इस कैंडल का मूव आप देखोगे तो 750 से ये है 33,130, यानी कि अराउंड 600 पॉइंट्स ऑफ मूव. एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट फ्यू कैंडल इट अगेन मूव्ड बैक टू दैट सेम लेवल. So this is how volatility is killing all of us. Okay, when it comes to being a non-directional trader. ठीक है, तो इसलिए मैं अभी कुछ दिनों से नहीं कर रहा था, बिकॉज इन पास्ट वीक आई हैव लॉस्ट अराउंड 8 to 10% of my capital in hedging because of the volatility and because of some mistakes from my end. So I'm just working on them, and that's why this week I didn't take even a single hedge trade. Okay, but I'm planning for something else, so that's why so I will give all these trades in my in this Telegram channel also. ठीक है, तो आप इसे ज्वाइन कर लो अगर आपको हेज ट्रेड चाहिए, और एट द सेम टाइम आपको उसमें हम लोग एडजस्टमेंट भी दिया करेंगे. तो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. तो डू ज्वाइन दैट, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर माई एंड. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर योर टाइम, एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू आर लाइकिंग आवर कंटेंट, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.